Good day, everyone. I will tell you the best way to free up space in your Android phone. So, you need to go to the Play Store first and click on the search and type files, and you will find files by Google. Once you install it, open like this, and here you will have the category where you can see the downloads, images, videos, audio, document, apps, right? And when you click from the left hand side, you will also find an option called clean. Now here you can clean the junk, delete old screenshots, delete large files, delete unused apps, delete recording media. Like you can go one by one. Let's say if I want to go with delete large files. So I'll click on select file, and from here you can select the files which you want to delete, and in this manner you can save a lot of space. You can free up huge space in your phone. Do let me know in the comment section if this tutorial is helpful or not, because this is the easiest way to clean up junk and free up space in any Android phone.